In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Meta Business Manager access in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and talk about how you can grant access to your Meta Business Manager to ensure collaborators can engage with the necessary tools efficiently. First, we need to search for Meta Business Manager. Go to your preferred browser and type in Meta for Business. Once the site loads, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to access your account. You can log in using your email address or through your Facebook or Instagram account, whichever you find the most convenient at the moment. Once you've successfully logged into your Meta Business Manager, find and click on the tab labeled Users, and then navigate to People. This is where you manage all the individuals who have access to your business account. It's the ideal place to start when you want to invite someone new to your business setup. With that in mind, your next action is to click the Invite People button. This will start the process of adding new users to your business account, enabling them to work with the tools they need. When you click this button, a window will appear asking you to provide information. Now input the email address of the person to whom you want to grant access. Be sure to double-check that the email is correct, as you want the invitation to be received without any hitches. After entering the email, you'll be presented with options regarding the level of access you wish to grant. You'll have a choice between partial access and full access. Choosing partial access allows you to limit the user's capabilities and provide specific permissions tailored to their tasks. This can be particularly useful if you're managing a team with diverse roles. On the other hand, full access provides the most extensive permissions, including the ability to manage settings, people, and assets within the account itself. Once you've made the decision on the type of access to grant, it's time to assign assets. Here, you'll be selecting the particular assets like Facebook pages, Instagram accounts, ad accounts, and more, which the person you are inviting will need to work on. This tailored approach ensures that the person has precisely what they need to contribute effectively without unnecessary access to unrelated assets. Before completing the process, take a moment to carefully review the access settings. Checking your settings ensures that everything is correct and that the intended person receives the appropriate level of access. Once you're satisfied, click Invite to send the invitation. The recipient will receive an email with their invitation to join your Meta Business Manager, equipped with the access you've granted. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully shared access to your Meta Business Manager, paving the way for collaborative and effective business operations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in getting you set up quickly and efficiently.